My name is Shrinidhi Nimbargi, and I have completed my graduation in 2023 in computer science from college, PLD Engineering College. So, after my graduation, I joined Crio and learned many skills like Java, Selenium, and everything related to testing. So before joining Cryo, I had learned development, even the development side also. But I found development little bit complex compared to the QA. So I decided to shift to the QA, yes, QA profile. Cryo was providing placements along with the training. So I went through the brochure. So in brochure they mentioned around 14 plus projects. I would get the opportunity to work on 14 plus projects, and the whatever the tools and technologies were mentioned on the brochure were the one of the trending technologies used in the market. So that is why I decided to enroll into Cryo, and they were providing the guaranteed placements after the 9 months of training. So I decided to enroll in the Cryo. I am a fresher, but I said I was even trained in the development field also before entering into QA field. So I was trained in the software development field also, but I found QA as the most easier job. So my goal was to get a job get a job in a product based company, and it should have some good package. So that was my main goal while entering into Cryo. In Cryo, I learned few things like when I don't understand the things from the mentor or anything, I used to Google the things. I used to do self-learning first. Then I would go into some support help, like chat support help. And through the chat support, I got my all doubts clear. So it made my learning easy. Because there was a chat support. If I'm stuck, they would help me and clarify my doubts. So my learning was easy flow. I have some experience after my college, like in the coding and programming part. So I didn't face such complication in the Cryo journey, but I faced during the projects. There were some errors doing some projects. So I took help from chat support, as I said, and they clarified my doubts. So I learned from those mistakes, and I learned from the mistakes and made sure that I will not repeat those mistakes in the next upcoming projects. So in this way, these were the learnings from the Cryo journey. The current role which I am is QA consultant. So I will be having a 6 months of internship, then a pre-placement offer. So I'm really excited as a fresher. Obviously, I'm really excited to work on my first job. So yeah, I don't have much of a words, but yeah, I'm really excited. The first thing I would suggest them to just go through the course and complete the tasks on time. So it will help them to be on top. So they will get a first come first served referral. Like if you are on a top, then you will be preferred first over the others. And cracking interviews will be more easier by just following the syllabus. And however, there will be a chat support team who will help whenever you are stuck. And yeah, that's it.